Hi everyone, Tim the Plane Man here, out at the field with the beautiful Dancing Wings Hobby Tiger Moth, almost ready to fly. If you haven't seen the video, here it is. This is the build, the assembly video. Beautiful plane to build. Let's see how it goes to fly. Now, what I'll do in a second, I'll just do a quick taxi to show you. And just to say again, I'm really worried about the center of gravity that was on the plan, and I've actually added 56 grams of lead to the front of the plane to move the center of gravity forward, because as they say, a front heavy plane flies badly, a tail heavy plane flies once. So I'm hoping that even if I got it wrong in the right direction. We'll see how it goes, and I can adjust that as we go. So check it out. What should happen now, we've got ailerons, right, left, elevator, up, down, tail, right, left. They're actually on low rates right now, and there's still an awful lot of throw. And then if I turn up the rudder, the power, there we go. Let's just see. Do a little taxi. Seems to be good. All right, I think we're ready to roll. So let's see how she flies. That's really weird. That is really weird.
Here I come to save the day.
Byme-A comes to save the day. Byme-A comes to save the day.
I've turned on stabilize mode now. I have a stabilizer in there. I had it on like normal mode. Worst case, I'll put it on manual. But let's give it a go now. And I'm going to full throttle because it totally needed power as well. Maybe that's all it needed. Just needed some. Well, that flies beautifully. So that was putting it in full stabilize mode. So, Dancing Wings Hobby Tiger Moth 800mm edition, a beautiful plane, flies wonderfully with a stabilizer because the center of gravity on the plans is absolutely wrong. The plans say that the center of gravity should be 70 millimeters back from the leading edge of this bottom wing, which puts the center of gravity back almost at the aileron. I already decided that wasn't right. I put 56 grams of weight inside the cowling here, 56 grams of lead, and that brings the center of gravity forward to about just behind that leading edge of that bottom wing. Right about there. Maybe it's better if I balance it upside down. You can see that more clearly. So there it is. There it is there. That's basically flat, and my fingers are just behind the leading edge. And that is absolutely tail heavy. You saw it when I switched the plane to fly in manual mode. It's absolutely tail heavy flying like that. That center of gravity probably needs to come forward, probably to the spar on the top wing, I would say. So I would double the amount of weight before I try that again. Otherwise, it's a beautiful plane. It flies so nice. With a couple of bouncy landings, it's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I mean, the wing slides out a little bit, but that's actually by design. It's made like that, and gives it some flexibility and resilience. So I love this plane. I'll fly it again. And thank you, Dancing Wings Hobby. Tim the Plane Man, over and out.